Spicy is yummy. Get it from me. Spicy is yummy. This food is wonderful.
Yeah, awesome.
How'd you get it?
So this should be like it should be limey, cheesy, spicy because cayenne pepper, jalapeno, it's in there. It's very hot spices, and also cheesy. Two type of cheese there, cream cheese and cheddar. Yeah, it's so balancing, and I love this hot. Yeah, it's really good, like original Mexican quesadilla.
Wow.
Yeah, so good.
I'm loving
I
this.
love these things.
Good job. Good job, young man. Keep it up. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to our channel. My name is Avylet and today we have a very special guest. His name is Sean and Sean is from Sri Lanka. We are right now in Sri Lanka. Sean, hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. What about you?
I'm doing wonderful. So what are we going to be making today?
Today we'll be making a chicken quesadilla.
Chicken quesadilla.
I'll start with the ingredients.
Okay, so today we're gonna be making chicken quesadilla. Chicken quesadilla is Mexican, but right now we are in Sri Lanka. So we got the opportunity to meet this young chef. This young chef is very, very experienced, and what makes him so special is that he's only 14 years old. So we're gonna be making together, and then later we will have to test the food. Okay, so let's get going. What we have? What are the ingredients that we have?
We'll start with this. So this is corn, coriander powder,
coriander,
cayenne pepper,
cayenne
pepper,
pepper,
lime, jalapenos,
okay,
onion, chicken breast, salt, pepper, turmeric powder, and
curry.
yeah.
Okay, great, wonderful. Is that butter?
Now this is cheese.
Oh, it's cheese.
A mix of herbs, cream cheese, and some veggies.
Oh, wonderful. A lot of ingredients.
Yes.
So how do you get to know all these ingredients by your head? How do you know them?
Just experience.
Just the experience.
Yes.
If you're only 14 years old.
Yeah.
Can you briefly tell us how you got to learn to do all this?
My father owns a hotel and he runs the business. It's a family business.
Okay.
So I learned from watching him.
Oh, you learned from watching him.
Yeah, just
That's
watching
awesome. Okay, let's get to it.
Okay, let's start with the veggies.
So what is that?
This is vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil. Okay.
Let's let the oil heat a bit.
Okay. The oil is going to heat a little bit. Also, that's onion,
Yeah,
right?
this is onion.
Okay. We add some onions, sliced onions.
And this is jalapenos.
Alright. Is it spicy?
Yes, it's a bit spicy.
Okay. So we are basically just going to be mixing.
Yeah, so we'll saute this and keep it aside. Then we'll start with the filling.
Alright. So basically, are we supposed to heat the oil that much or just a little?
Yeah, I preheat the pan so it was already hot.
Okay, so the pan was preheated. You do not have to put the oil and make it very hot. The pan is preheated. Okay, can I have it try?
Yeah.
Oh, sure. You guys, this is amazing. I feel special today because I'm here with an experienced chef. Like I said, he's only 14 years old, and it's great to learn from him. So we fry until...
Yeah, we saute it a bit, then we'll keep it aside. I'll let you know.
Okay. Is it going to get brown or something?
No.
Oh, no need for that.
Yeah, not that much.
Not that much. Oh, I feel like...
A burning sensation.
Yeah. Oh. spaghetti is really, really spicy because I feel like sneezing. You guys, this food is choking already. So what we do in the kitchen when you feel like sneezing? How do you sneeze?
Just cover it with your elbow or something.
You just go like that. Alright. Means basically we have to preheat the pan always.
Yeah.
Okay, so the basic principle, guys, is that you have to preheat the pan. You make sure that it's well heated. You don't necessarily have to heat the oil that much. You just preheat a little bit. Yeah.
That's correct.
Alright. Also, this is chicken breast.
Yeah, chicken breast.
I'm just loving the energy, you guys. I keep repeating this. This is coming from a 14-year-old. So in what form or grade are you?
In Sri Lanka, I'm in grade 9.
Grade 9?
Yeah.
Okay, so very soon you'll be grade 11, then you go to advanced level. Oh, great, that's awesome.
So would you like to try?
Okay, of course. You guys are my professional chefs today.
I like this spices.
Ah.
Yeah, you mix it.
You can call me Chef Avi. How does it sound?
That's so great. It's a catchy name.
Okay. This is not really spicy. So at this point we are basically just adding all the ingredients, right?
Yeah, spices.
All the spices, okay. We add all the spices at this point.
Yeah, that's done with the spices.
So do you think that you will be able to run this business in the future?
Definitely.
Yeah, I can see that because you're already doing wonderful.
Thanks.
Yeah. So how long does it take for the chicken to cook?
Just about 5 minutes would be great.
Okay, after 5 minutes it will be fine. I love the food, you guys. You should just smell the aroma. The aroma is just wonderful.
To feel the smell, the aroma.
Yeah, I can feel the aroma.
It's a bit spicy though.
It's spicy, really spicy, right? Yeah, because he added so many spices. Okay, you guys, I keep trying. You mix, and you mix. So when we were growing up, there was this game that we used to play on the streets in Zimbabwe. And in this game we used to say, you mix, and you mix like this. Sorry. So every time I'm cooking, I'm making a cooking video, I'm always thinking about that, the aspect of mixing. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of water. A little bit. You guys. And this is cooked corn that has been added on.
We'll add some water.
Okay, you add some more water. So now it's becoming like a paste.
Yeah. Now let's add in the cheese.
That's cheese.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Yeah. And now let's add in the cheddar.
This is the cheddar.
It's looking great.
Wow. I'm loving it already.
So we have the herbs over here.
It has become like a paste.
And now let's put in the herbs.
That's coriander?
Coriander, mint, and parsley. We let that cook a bit and add in some lime.
Some lime.
Yeah.
Ah. How do you feel when you are able to do this?
I feel confident.
You feel confident, right? Do you think you can be able to teach someone else?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so I'm coming for classes, right? You guys, you should just experience the aroma yourself. And I cannot forget the fact that right now I'm feeling choked. The food is pretty spicy. And you know, in Africa, particularly in Zimbabwe, we do not have spicy food. This is Mexican food and we are loving it already.
Okay, now the filling is done. We'll put it into another bowl. And let's prep the quesadilla.
Okay.
Yeah.
Need to see that. What is that?
It's the filling.
The filling. Okay. And what is the sheet?
It's the
underneath?
tortilla.
The tortilla.
Yeah.
Okay. We have an exceptional young man here, quite handy. His name is Sean. He's 14 years old. He's doing it all. I am inspired. So you have to spread it evenly.
Yeah. Now we'll close it up and put it into the oven.
Oh, into the oven.
Yeah.
All right, all right. You guys, our dish is ready. We are just left with the final stage.
Yeah.
Just to arrange it.
Yes.
Yes. All right.
Let's start. So I'm cutting this into 8 pieces because it's easy to eat. Okay.
So you cut basically into 8 pieces.
Yeah.
Okay. You should see the food. The aroma is wow, wow, wow. I can't wait to have a taste.
We'll top it with some salad. I've got some onion, tomatoes and mint and a side of lime. I washed my hands.
Alright. Okay, so you say there is mint,
Yeah.
there is tomato
And onion.
and onion. So now you're gonna add,
The sour cream.
that's the salad cream.
Yes.
Alright.
So technically it's done. It's your turn to try now.
You guys, it's time for us to try the food. Wow! I can't wait. Thank you.
Looks good, Sean.
So good, so
Yeah.
good. You guys, it's for us to taste the food. It looks really, really yummy, and I really can't wait to dig in. And the African in me will not allow me to use these. I'm gonna be using my hands.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Yeah.
I'm happy to use my hands as well. Yeah. All right. So
Alright.
I just want to try then how he has done it.
Yep.
Want to find out. Yeah.
So how
yeah.
is it?
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah. Awesome, Sean. Yeah. Great job, man.
Thanks.
Yeah. I taught him only one time. Yeah. He's doing really good. Yeah.
Only one time?
Yeah.
This is amazing.
It's really good. Yeah. Really
Only one
impressive.
time?
Yeah.
Look guys, this food is yummy.
So good, man.
Wow. And spicy.
Yeah.
You know what? Spicy is yummy. Get it from me. Spicy is yummy. This food is wonderful.
Yeah, awesome.
How'd you get it?
So so this should be like it should be limey, cheesy, spicy because cayenne pepper, jalapeno, it's in there. It's very hot spices, and also cheesy. Two type of cheese there, cream cheese and cheddar. Yeah, it's so balancing, and I love this hot. Yeah, it's really good, like original Mexican quesadilla.
Wow.
Yeah, so good.
Loving
I
this.
love these things.
Good job, young man. Keep it up. So I was asking the young man that is he ready to run this, like for him, for the business. Then he said he's ready.
Yeah.
And I said, wow, you guys did a great job.
Yeah.
Because at 14, he's already that experience. This is wonderful.
Yeah. Then eventually he'll get there. And also like he does his studies as well. He does software engineering while he's going to school. But anyhow, he's happy to do the cooking as well. Yeah.
He's doing software engineering?
Yeah, he does. Yeah. He's going to
Is it
school,
great?
but he's in grade 9. But he does software engineering degree. Yeah, in a private school.
Yeah.
Sean,
Yeah.
you're doing that?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 14 and still in my first sem.
You're exceptional.
Sorry?
You're exceptional.
Yeah.
Good job. Keep it up. I'm proud
I
of
do my
you.
best.
I'm proud of you.
I'm really happy that because you're enjoying your meal, right? Yeah.
I am.
Thanks.
I am. You guys allow me to enjoy the meal. And special thanks to Chef Sean. Thank you so
I'm
much.
really happy that you liked it.
I love it. You guys, may you please kindly subscribe. Let's get to 5K.